Hi everyone, welcome to week 10, which is the second week of our starter project webinar. And also this is the last week, as I mentioned last week. So we only have 2 weeks for our starter project webinar. So next week your group need to finish your webinar, and also you need to record a video as a final product. So this is a week 10 page. This week we have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to finish your webinar and recording. So one of the people in your group need to be the moderator. So the moderator needed to organize all of the discussions, and also needed to control all of the discussion time. So you need to finish the video in 15 minutes. And you can moderator can also record audio, so you can ask another people to record your discussion video, and also only one person in your group need to submit the webinar video as a final product. So not everyone needs to submit. It's just only one people. So then I will give grace to all of the group members. So I recommend to use the Screencast-O-Matic to do the screencast, or if you have any other better tools, you could definitely use it. So there are 2 links you need to submit or share the link to your video or your video file. One is a Slack channel webinar video, and one is assignments in our Canvas system. So all of the group members, including moderators and group members, need to provide only one peer feedback to other groups. So only moderator needed to submit the video, but all of the group members needed to give the feedback. So that's the requirements for this assignment. So that's all for the project 3. So I think it's a great time to tell you some details for the final. So our final for this course is to design a portfolio by design a website. So you need to put all of your project products and also some of your reflections on that in that portfolio. Or also you need to finish 3 to 5 pages. So all of the requirements are in this link, so please read it carefully. So if you have a spare time recently, you can start working on this final. So that's definitely okay for this course. So that's all for the week 10. If you have any question, please send an email to me. So thank you so much, and see you next Wednesday.